wrapped
It
around
was a
his
string
neck.
that was wrapped around his neck.
Wait, guys, there's a bird inside.
You take a video, Winston.
Miss Amber,
You take a video?
we need your
Yeah.
help, but there's a baby bird inside the house. That Miss Amber caught. It was hurt, so she got it, and right now.
You taking a video?
I'm putting this on my.
Are you taking a video?
Mm-hmm. Here's Winston Lump. I saw the bird.
Upload it on your YouTube channel.
No.
Yeah, you should go.
Actually, no. That is really cute. I mean, the bird is really cute. You should upload this video on your YouTube channel.
Okay.
Wait, you guys have
It's really cute. Yeah, Mama has.
You getting a drink? Are you all right?
Miss Amber, how many subscribers do you have?
Oh, like 2. I think you and your brother. or
No,
somebody.
you have 37.
Oh, I do.
Yeah, you have
Whoa!
over 30.
Ooh, high roller.
There's some YouTubers that has the highest. There's a YouTuber that has like 20 million subscribers.
No, like the YouTuber that called PewDiePie, and he has 111.
Did you hear his little squeak?
100 million subscribers? Yeah.
You were thirsty, huh?
101 million.
Mama, this guy's not gonna be scared of humans anymore. So cute.
Well, he probably will be scared of humans, but that's okay.
Series is in second.
I can feel his like his
1
neck
million
bone. I can feel his neck bone.
All right, you guys. I think he's ready to go.
Hey, let's put him out.
I want to make sure that I don't hurt him, but I want to give him a drink because he was
struggling.
stuck by a string.
He was actually
that was-
struggling. He was just like trying to keep up.
It was like around his neck.
Yeah,
and he
it was around
hanging
his neck.
there.
With what? Like what
It was
string?
like in a. It was part of a. It was part of a bird's nest. I think they used some string, and he just got tangled in it. He was stuck there.
Oh, these cute noises.
I know he's making really cute noises. Are you all right?
Aw, he's so cute.
It's so cute.
Yeah, I'm still videoing. He's so cute.
Miss Amber, are you going to post this on your YouTube channel?
Sure. All right, buddy.
Now every time.
So cute.
He's so cute.
Buddy. I'm gonna tell my mom to watch that YouTube video. When are you gonna post it? Wait, what's your
Maybe tomorrow.
YouTube channel's name?
I don't know. I think it's just
Amber
mine.
Burkhardt-Sidebottom. Huh?
Are you gonna be all right, little friend?
I think he
What
is.
is it called? Amber Burkhardt-Sidebottom?
I think so.
It's your first, last, and middle name.
Any more?
So it's her first, last, and middle name. So Amber something Sidebottom.
Amber Burkhardt. I remember that one slime video that you guys made. Wait, bro.
Sada. Oh, it's a tiny little sign. So cute. Baby bird caught on camera.